it's me, Daisy Doll. Welcome to my channel. If you are brand new, I am super happy that you are here. Thank you so much for being here. If you're a new subscriber, oh my God, you are so awesome. If you've already been here, you already know what it is. I love you. Thank you for being here. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. There are a few trips that are in the works that I'm planning. So it's basically forced me to have to go shopping, right? Like, I haven't traveled in a while. In fact, I think I donated my last luggage. I think I donated it to Goodwill. So I needed some new luggage. So guess what? I found myself on Amazon looking at different things and I found some really good stuff. It took a while, okay? It took a while. I know there are a lot of videos out there already that are like, oh, here are all, my Amazon travel finds and Amazon must-haves, but I was able to find some stuff that I'm in love with. I found some really, really good things. So I just thought, you know what? I want to show you guys the stuff that I got, especially if you're planning to travel. Summer's coming, and then before you know it, fall, right? You're gonna need this stuff for the rest of the year anyway, right? So you might as well, take a seat, check it out. It might inspire you to get something. I found some really, really good stuff. I'm super excited to show you. But anyway, do you like my hair? Right now, it looks like that's what I call my hair sometimes, a wildflower. But you know what? I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. It's the weekend. We are relaxing. We are chilling. Yeah, I have my little, my comfy sweater on. Nothing crazy. Just sit back, let me get these items out. I'm probably gonna have to use my phone just to kind of give you guys a description of what it is, just so that I don't miss certain details, right? The first item that I got is called the Kenzie Women's Hillsborough 4-piece luggage and travel bag set. I got it in the green granite color. Oh my gosh, guys. I love that color so much. Just from the pictures, I just thought they would really look great in person. So when it arrived, guys, I was super duper excited. The luggage set actually comes with 2 different luggage types. So 25 inches expandable 4-wheel check-in suitcase, and they also have a 20-inch expandable 4-wheel carry-on luggage. So the one that you would basically take on the plane without having to check it in. And they added 2 packing cubes, just to keep you organized while you pack. It is so beautiful, guys. It seems really roomy. I love the color combination. So it's like a green granite, on the outside, and then on the inside, it has some gray touches, as well as a little bit of that green granite color. And of course, the cubes come in handy. If anything, it's gonna be a space saver. You roll some of your things up in there and you're able to, pack it properly in your suitcase. So I really, really like this. The next item that I got is the Love Vook travel duffel bag. This also has a portable hanging closet cabinet. It's like a weekender style bag. And it also comes with a shoe bag included. It does come in 3 different colors. The color I got is the black color, full on complete black. But then the interior is beige and striped, and it has all these different compartments. Love it. And then it also comes in a beige brown color, which is so beautiful. I would have chosen it, but I'm like, you know what? When you're in the airport, I just don't want my stuff, if it's gonna be on the ground and it's beige, I don't want to see any dirt on it, so that's the only reason I didn't buy it. But maybe I might buy it in the future, if I'm doing more of a road trip where I could just put it in the car and know that it's clean. Oh yeah. And then they also have a beige black color as well. So when I was looking for more of a personal style bag, I was really looking. I went on TikTok. I was like, okay, like I kind of like this and I like that. But I still couldn't make up my mind. There was just something that seemed like it was missing. At some point, I found this. I just like randomly found it on Amazon and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is so unique. I think what pulled me in is the hanger aspect of it. I just could picture myself using that and just like, you know, wherever I'm at, being able to just plop that hanging function into my closet and just like fold my clothes. It'll be like a little cabinet in my closet, and so it'd be easy for me to pull out my items and my clothes to wear. I wanted something that, you know, if I decided to check in the luggage, I could carry this other item as a personal item on the plane. Now, I know it looks like it's pretty big, but I checked the dimensions and it fits within the dimensions of a personal item that would go on the airplane with you. You can almost do it as a personal item or carry-on because of how it's set up. So I love the versatility of it. I love the functionality of it. I haven't set it up yet, but I've seen like tutorial videos of how you set it up so that it gives you that shelving experience. And that's what I'm most super excited about. So it has several different compartments, and you know, you could store shoes, you could store clothes, you could store your, you know, whatever it is that you're packing. So I just love it. The one thing I would say is when I did unbox it, it actually feels a little heavier. It feels a little heavier than I anticipated, but I feel like it's worth it. I feel like if you're traveling and you know, this could be another alternative to actually taking a carry-on suitcase. You could just take this with you. Like, it's a good 3 to 5 day weekender bag. It's the perfect companion in my book, but I feel like I'll let you guys know more after I've tested it out. You know, after I've actually taken it on a few trips. You know the crazy part about this? Not too many people have reviewed and purchased it. It does have like a 4.5 star review on Amazon, but dude, this is a gem. I would highly recommend getting something like this. Like, you will feel super prepared for your trip. So another thing that I did get, which it seems like it's a must-have when you travel, you want to make sure you have packing cubes. Now, the 2-piece luggage that I got, they did throw in a couple of packing cubes in there, but I ended up buying packing cubes separately, specifically compression packing cubes, okay? I got a 6-pack compression packing cubes, and they are in different sizes, and it also came with a shoe bag as well. What I really like about the compression packing cube, from what I've seen in tutorials, when you fold your clothes the right way and pack it in the compression packing cube, it's actually meant to be a great space saver, right? I've never done this, but from what I see, like the different like people who've done it, it's like, wow, like you were able to fit extra stuff. Like, they were able to fit extra stuff in their suitcase. It was way more organized. It was way more put together. And so I ended up ordering some. Ones I ordered are the Bag Smart compression packing cubes for travel, 6-pack. You know, you can put it in your carry-on, you can put it in your check-in bag, but I feel like most people probably try to use this for carry-ons just so that they can, you know, maximize the space in their carry-on. So the great thing about this too is it seems very highly reviewed. It seems like Bag Smart is a brand that people really love, so that's why I went for it. And also, it comes in several different colors: blue, pink, green, gray, beige, rose, you know, all of the colors, right? I might open it up so you guys can see. My only thing is I haven't packed yet. I was like, I need to do this video before I start packing stuff, like, so you guys can actually see what it looks like before it's all packed up. I mean, from the image, this is what it would look like. So apparently when you use it, it saves about 60% of the space. So I'm looking forward to trying that out and testing it. So another thing that I got that I thought would be super fun, it's called a mini refillable portable perfume atomizer bottle. That's really long. But yeah, no, I got like a pack of 5 just because all the colors look so cute. All the colors look lovely. I've never used it before, but I love the idea of it. So if you have different perfumes and you want to make sure that you're taking, you know, the perfumes that you love, this atomizer, this portable perfume atomizer allows you to pretty much take like parts of your perfume, you know, take certain amounts of your perfume and put in the atomizer, and it's like you have, you know, your favorite perfume with you while you travel. Isn't that fun? I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try it because I have a few bottles of perfume. You know, I wanna be smelling good on my trip. Come on now. Look at that. Look at how amazing that looks, right? And right here is kind of like a demonstration of how you would use it. There's a way you're able to fill your perfume in it, and then you're able to spray it when you want to use it. So if you're looking for an option, a way to take multiple perfumes, or if you just don't feel like carrying the original bottle where you got your perfume in, this is definitely a great option for you to just be able to take a little bit of it, just enough for your trip for a few days or a trip for a week, you know? So I think, you know, I would definitely recommend it. Of course, I still have to try it out. I feel like when I try these out, I will like end up coming back maybe with a follow-up video of like, you know, my favorite things and stuff like that. The other thing that I got is the Morphone 16-pack travel bottle set for toiletries. So this is made of silicone, it's squeezable, you can use it for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash. So I was really excited when I saw this. They had so many different options. So many options. Sometimes I think we just have way too many options. It makes it, I'm the kind of person that when I see too many options, I feel like I have to check almost all those options out. So it took me a while, but I ended up choosing this one that I told you about. It has different really nice, almost pastel-like colors is what I would say. And it seems really easy to use. It also comes with this packaging where I think you could just use that packaging to travel with it. You don't have to put the bottles in like a quart-sized Ziploc bag, which, you know, I used to do. But yeah, no, we're not about that life anymore. I feel like having something like that is gonna be great for you to be able to carry the products that you love, the products that you want to come with you on your trip. So it comes with like big bottles, small bottles, little mini jars, things to be able to scoop things with. It has a couple of spray bottles, and it also comes with a label that you can use to label your toiletries. The final thing that I got that I'm super duper excited about, whoa, why did I talk so fast? Anyway, so the final thing that I got that I'm super excited about is the steamer iron. It's a steamer iron mini. You can iron with it and you can steam with it. What made me buy this is, especially if you're gonna be folding your clothes up in your luggage, right? Or you're rolling it up in a compression packing cube or just a regular packing cube, like by the time you get to your destination, that's gonna be wrinkly, right? I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna need something like a steamer iron. I know most hotels provide irons for you, but I wasn't looking for the traditional iron. I was looking for something where you could just kind of hold up and steam without it being as bulky and as big as a regular steamer. This one looks so good. Of course, you know, I had to do my research and I was like, wow, like this one looks pretty amazing. And it comes with like a little water cup that you can use. You could either iron with it or you could either steam iron. You could hang your clothes and iron with it. You could lay your clothes flat and iron with it. And it seems like you could iron different fabrics with it as well. It is a 2-in-1 iron, so you can iron dry, as they call it, or steamer wet. It's a handheld portable fabric steamer slash iron, basically a 2-in-1. And yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Those are my Amazon travel finds. Super excited to use all of them. Oh my God, the luggage, the personal item, everything was really, really nice. I'm really happy with the items that I chose. And hopefully, you know, if you're on the market for like some new stuff, hopefully, you know, this kind of helped you figure it out, you know, help you choose what you want to get. Thank you so much for joining me. It was so fun sharing all of this with you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please like the video, comment. You know, it helps push the video out there. It helps other people find my content as well. Thank you so much for being here. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.